Hello, I'm Basile. I'm working with the IoT-Manufacturing team for today's Olympiad. One of the key defining factors of Olympe, it allows easy collaboration between people who don't necessarily have the same backgrounds. And what we see in every project basically is that it's a combination of skills, right? You need developers to actually build a solution, but you also need business knowledge to have data modeling that makes sense. You need assets for the app to look good. You need data that makes sense with the right values, the right wording, the right elements to it. And one of my roles for today's exercise is that we need to organize, allocate the different aspects to the different people who are around the table. So it's not just a technical exercise with developers building things, but it's actually a joint exercise where the end result is actually something that makes sense from a business perspective.
Hi, I'm Jael, a software engineer, and today I'm working for the IoT manufacturing team. So I'm currently implementing a program to simulate machine in our factory with a Raspberry Pi. So we have 3 Raspberry Pis, each one is representing a machine in our factory.
Hi, my name is Ben. I'm a software engineer at Olympe, and I've been part of this hackathon working on the IoT manufacturing project. And the idea in this project was to monitor the status of different machines in a factory flow. And basically to do that, we wanted to display the status of the machine with a lighting system. And one of the tasks I've been assigned to is to create a set of bricks that allow us to connect to Philips Hue API and just turn on the lights according to the status with the right color. And that turned out to be quite easy because we already have lots of bricks to connect with API, so it was just a matter of connecting the dots. And then once that was available, I worked on the backend system to connect the status of the machine and all the processes together so that it would be reflected both on the screen here in the factory flow cockpit application that we've built and also in the physical world with the lighting system.